Here's what a trans women in a women competition would look like. See the difference? Tapos sasabihin nyo equality. Walang equality dun. Panlalamang yun. Because physically, kahit balibalik-tarin nyo yung mundo, mas malakas ang biological male kesa sa biological female. And hindi equality ang kauuwian ng ganyang klaseng competition. It's going to be a massacre. It's going to be a domination ng mga lalaki na nagpapanggap na babae. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.